having a good morning. It's your boy Shelby, and I'm on the road today, baby. We are going to Rampart Range, a mountain ride today with the two homies. So I was just on the highway rolling with them as a pack, but I decided to go ahead because I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A. I'm hungry. But yeah, letting the car do all the work this morning. Got auto drive chilling. What's up, y'all? We're back on route with some of the Lord's chicken, the one and only. And yeah, we're almost up there. So just hit the homies up. They're passing through this small town called Sedalia. They're passing through right now. I'm like 5 minutes behind them, and our destination is the top of those mountains. From Denver, I think where we're going is like an extra 1,000 feet up or so. So yeah, going from a mile up to, I don't know, I want to say around 7,000 feet. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, y'all, we made it. We're at Rampart. I think we're gonna meet at Sunset Point Trailhead today and get unloaded and get dressed. But we got the Onyx going. Big camper. What's up, guys? Your boy back, and we made it to the trailhead. So first time rocking a full outfit, by the way. But got my Cali, Bray's got his KTM, and Dylan's on the Xpro, which I'm sure you guys will love to see. I'm gonna swap with him today. I'm gonna ride the Xpro some, so I'm gonna put the helmet on in a second. Popping the goggles, the glasses and the goggles.
It's up to you though. We can do that. If you want to do this loop first, I think that's 787.
Yeah.
And then if you want to do that loop,
I really like that, and I don't think it's hard at all.
Yeah. Because
I don't think this is hard, but I do know it has that hill climb where the BMW did start, and want to make sure I'm warm and the bikes are warm for that.
Yeah, and then make sure the Xpro can handle that.
That was my thought too. So like, I know this is easier, it's not hard. We've done it in like 15 minutes since we've gotten faster.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. So do you just want to do this loop, come back up here, and then?
Yeah, well, when we get to Flat Rocks, we'll come straight down and come back to Sunset Point.
Or we could hit it here and then connect around.
Yeah, that too.
Okay. Well, there's maps along the way, so
yeah,
we could start out hitting that trail here.
Okay.
I'll follow you.
Heck yeah. I don't want to leave the whole time though, because I got to get footage of you guys.
Yeah.
But I can start off for sure.
Starting out, I can.
And we're just vibing today, dude. Got a friend out, and I've learned there's no reason to haul it on these trails. The track's where it's meant to haul that, unless you're an enduro racer, which I have no aspirations to do. So race bike on the trails, baby. Looking good, D-Man. Proud of you. First time on the trails. I softened my suspension for the ride. The compression, don't know what I'm doing on them, but 6 on the front. I did 4 on the rear for compression as well. I didn't adjust the high speed on the rear, just actually I only did the rebound. I might need to actually look. I didn't do the low speed at all. Woo! That North Face bag is nice. Let me get that. We made it, baby. Hell yeah. No, have it just like this.
Finished.
Have it just like that while you kick it.
Oh.
anyways, I don't give a fuck what nobody says. Once I figure out the front suspension, oh, she's gonna be a dime. Smooth as shit, man. The boys waiting on me. KTM looking good. Xpro looking good. I'm good, yeah. I'm just taking my time. Trying not to get hurt on the way home.
It's a pretty one.
It's a pretty trail, dude. This is nice. And the dirt's a lot more moist over here.
Ready for this uphill.
Yeah. Yeah, let it lean towards you. It's a beautiful spot. Cool. Hopefully I don't stall either. Woo. I love that uphill, dude. Oh shit. You scared me. I was like, what the hell's that orange thing?
Dude, that was some climbing.
I love that uphill. Going down it sucks. That's why I wanted to write. Just like SC.
Down a steep one.
Huh?
We went down a pretty steep.
We did go down a steep one.
Getting into the trail when we first started. I made the wrong turn somewhere. So, Right there.
you want to take... You just want to take that to the rock park? Okay. We're gonna follow him. There's a deep one. Woo! Those rain ruts are intense. Big puddle. Oh man. Woo. Oh yeah. I am messing up. Forgot to buckle up the bottom of my damn bag. Oh no, I didn't. I just don't have it tight. Okay. And we're back, dude. Just when I was starting to get heavy breathing. Great job, boys. Great job. Great job. We're back home, baby. So yeah, man. I don't know what to say, dude. Great day, dude. Great day. Yeah, softened up my suspension for the day. Dylan on the Xpro did good. Bray, we all did great, dude. Nothing crazy happened today. Glad everyone's safe, and just got my brand new graphics kit, dude. And I got a washer. Hashtag Team Green. All right, guys, peace out, and I'll catch you on the next one.